Get a complete look at how to install a modular kitchen sink with this step-by-step fitting guide. Whether you're upgrading your old sink or setting up a new kitchen, this video shows you exactly how to fit a modern, space-saving smart sink with ease and precision. This installation includes 1. Cutting and placing the sink. 2. Connecting the pull-out faucet. 3. Fixing the water inlet pipes. 4. Installing the smart drain system. Setting up accessories like the glass washer, strainer, cutting board, and drying tray. All parts are neatly designed for easy DIY fitting or professional installation. No heavy tools required, just smart design, plug-and-play components, and a perfect fit for your countertop. Upgrade your kitchen setup today with Alfahome's premium modular sink. Available now at alfahome.in. Trusted for quality. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and smart product demos. Modular sink product link is in the description below.